Welcome po sa Rosales Practical Shooting Association. So for today's video, ito po yung inaugural shoot. Participation po syempre ng Watermax. Ngayon po kasama natin ang presidente ng RPSA. So interviewin natin siya, si Sir Ed Yao. So, Sir Ed Yao, paano po ba nag-start itong range natin?
Usually ito parang grupo lang eh. Tapos mahilig sa shooting, isa nag-recruit na. Tapos yung sa RAG, yung sa Rosales Action Group, isa rin na member. Kaya nabuo tong grupo.
Kailan po ba ito nag-start, sir?
Siguro year 2000, ini-start namin na dinevelop to.
So ayun, thank you sir. Any message po sa mga kagaya natin na shooter?
Encourage namin kayo pumutok at para matuto kayong sa gun safety. Yun ang importante.
So coming from our President Ed Yao, no? Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
So syempre dito rin po ang ating Grandmaster na si Coach Jeremy. Yan yung idol ko. So interviewin rin natin siya. Coach, konting information. Paano tayo napasok dito sa RPSA?
Good afternoon mo sa lahat. Anyway, RPSA started nga somewhere around 2000, no? This consists of local shooters po dito sa Rosales, tsaka sa Carmen at tsaka sa Ordineta. And RPSA also consists of members ng RAG. RAG is Rosales Action Group for Volunteer. So yung mga businessman po dito, yan, ang mga consist ng mga RAG. RPSA started all 2000, no?
Yeah.
Oo. Mga gun enthusiasts din, yan. So nabuo kami, magbabarkada dito, mga business owners. Kaya hanggang lumago na rin.
So, pwede rin bang pumasok ang mga hindi taga Rosales?
Pwede po. We're welcome po na mag-join sa amin.
Ayan, ini-encourage po namin kayo na kung wala pa kayong gun club, syempre, mas maganda. Dito na tayo sa RPSA. Syempre, meron tayong Grandmaster. Ito, si Coach ko, tsaka si Sir Ed Yao. Alright, so thank you for your time po, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, thank you.
And so, thank you very much for your support. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I'm faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I make mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, got my blow back up.
2, 3, 3, 1. 2, 3, 3, 1.
Okay, so yun mga guys, yung ating first stage dito sa Rosales inaugural shoot. Yan. So sa mga taga Rosales, para sa inyo yun. Alright.
Okay, load and make ready.
Condition 1.
Position 1. Loaded.
Loaded.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Safety engage.
Yes, sir. Feet on mark, sir. Feet on mark. Feet on mark. Load ready.
Okay.
Shooter, are you ready?
Not yet. Ready.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Sorry. Unload. Visit ka lang, sorry. Kala ko sa didiretso ka na eh.
Okay lang.
Sorry. Kala ko dito. Sorry. Kaya na sir, kaya na.
Baka hindi. 42 eh. Doon ako mag-check.
Sige, after one sir, after one.
Mag-load ka muna, sir.
Sorry sir, hindi ko alam kasi na
Okay lang, okay.
kala ko didiretso ka na. Load and make ready.
Safety engage.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I make mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, got to blow back up. Never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand myself. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I could. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Chamber flag.
Thanks.
Pass it up. Ready, clear time. 4, 5, 8, 8.
Thank you. Kapagod. Alright. Long stage namin.
Secure chamber.
Race time! 8, 3, 7. Correct!
Two Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Two Alpha. Parang ini-slow motion mo ako.
Thank you. Dahan-dahan yung mga... Alright, thank you guys. So this is our 3 shot for today. So, meron na lang tayong dalawa. Alright, let's go.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me go. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive. Oh, I know. Call me something.
Second mark, upon audible signal, engage target within the demarcated firing zone only. Merong medyo prone sa ako dyan, 180, kaya ingatan.
Ngayon sa 180.
Dyan.
Saang part kaya yon? Kaliwa kanan. Wala bang tip?
Shooter on deck lang ang pwedeng mag-review sa pagsunod ng review nyo ito. Yung shooter on deck lang ang pwedeng mag-review.
Buong kapito, saan ka na?
Okay.
Okay?
Only shooter ang pwedeng mag-review.
Review.
Pag yung on deck.
On deck, on deck. So,
Ngayon, 3 minutes review.
3 minutes review. Alright.
Okay. Sabay ngayon.
So guys, pwede tayo mag-review ng 3 minutes. So gagawin natin, tatakbo tayo dito. Pugpug, pugpug, pugpug. Tapos dito na. Pugpug. Pugpug, pugpug. Pugpug. Tapos pugpug, pugpug. And then takbo dito. Pugpug, pugpug. Tapos balik. Dito ako mag-change mag. Pugpug, pugpug, pugpug. Ting, ting. Pugpug, pugpug. Ting, ting. Kita naman pala. Kala ko bended na bended. Hindi naman pala masyado bended. Alright, so mamaya pa tayo puputok. After 1. Alright, so this is my final run. Ito sa Rosales Practical Shooting. Condition 1, di ba? Oh. Loaded. Downrange safety. Ready?
I'm just fine, so you need me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet. Those words that I regret, 'cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end. No.
Sarap! So, okay guys, so malapit na po matapos ang ating shooting competition ngayon dito sa inauguration fan shoot ng Rosales, Pangasinan. So ito po yung unang-una nilang inauguration shot. Of course, naka-open lang ng range. So, dumating po as visitors natin ang Team Dagupan, DPSA, tapos syempre ang BPADSAI, yung gun club natin. Yan. So, dito rin po ang mga Pisay. Ayan, Pisay. Tapos, syempre, ito yung bago nating inaugural shot ng Rosales Practical Shooting Association. So, ito na po sila. So, madaming mga dumating na bagong mga shooters dito. Tapos, andun po ang lot owner natin, ang may-ari ng lupa. Hi po! Magandang hapon! So, siya po yung may-ari ng lote. Hi po, sir! Ayan. So, ayan. Kilala nyo na po lahat ang dito sa mundo ng mga range ESPA, Eastern Pangasinan Practical Shooting. So ito po yung mga officers natin sa Rosales, Pangasinan Shooting Range. So the President is Edgar Yao and the Vice President is Jeremy A. Sua. So this is the registration area mga guys. Rosales Tactical Shooting. Sa mga gusto matuto mga safety gun operation, so pwede kayong mag-enroll dito sa kanilang gun club. Meron silang gun club here at San Antonio, Rosales, Pangasinan. Ayan mga guys. So here's the members. Ayan. So shout out na lang sa kanilang lahat. So ayan, bago ko tapusin pala ang aking vlog, gusto ko pala pasalamatan lahat na nag-participate dito sa event na to. And of course, I would like to congratulate personally ang Rosales Practical Shooting Association or yung RPSA Associations. Yan, congratulations po sa inyong lahat mga sir. Peace!